Doll, please.
Hi, hello. Welcome to me opening my first ever Rainbow High / Shadow High on the channel. I started out with the boys, Ash Silverstone. I'm probably gonna get most of the boys from Rainbow High as well because I think they're pretty cool. And then collect the rest of Shadow High. I don't think I'm gonna get all of Rainbow High because there's like a million of them and I'm already late to the party. So I think to start opening, to reference pastel prints, I'm going to open it from the back. So pull this, and then here's everything in the back stand. I think we can just pull him out. Okay, that was a lot easier than I expected. How do I get this stuff out though? Oh, it all comes out together. So here we have accessories. We have some pretty cool sneakers. Here's his other outfit. I kind of thought it was like a straight jacket when I have horrible lighting. Oh my God. I'm using a ring light. I don't even have it turned on. Wow, much better. Everything's so shiny, you can see all the lights. I'm not used to unboxing things in shiny cases. I think we need to like cut all of this stuff. Wait, did I really just untie the plastic and then it still is connected to the inside of the plastic? What the heck? So we got him out of one jailhouse and now he's in a second. Okay, so I fully understand why some people, I've watched a lot of unboxings, how they'll be like, okay, let's get him out of the box and then we'll be right back because wow. That was a lot of work. My dude has some little spots on his eye right there. You can probably see. I do have him on his little stand. Put that together. This is the first doll that I've ever had that has eyelashes and they're pretty trippy. I do like his haircut. It's pretty cool. He has the design lines on the side. The only color that he has in his eyes, they're like blue and green. Question, what do you guys do with these tag things that held his head in the case? Oh, I guess you can just push him in his head, huh? Maybe I'll just do that. Very cute. He did come with a comb. I think I am gonna change his hair. I saw a lot of people on Facebook and whatever on Instagram that part his hair to the side and I thought that looked really cool, like pushing it over. All right, so here he is with his two outfits. Like I said, I'm gonna get some more of the boys. I actually have the one from Pacific Coast and the one from Rainbow High on their way here. I'll be opening those on the channel, so check back and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.